friends, we're doing the eye. The eye. Okay, the last one. Yay! Isn't that nice, my excellent friends? So I'm gonna do the one that I cut and processed, both the scleral and the corneal incisions. Okay, so there is the eye. Before you do anything, you wanna identify the extrinsic eye muscles. So what do? Yeah, of course. You look at the short side. This is a short side, that's a short side, that's a long side, that's a long side. Okay? So you look at this short side because it was convenient. I just looked at it. Okay. Boom. It's only one muscle there. Okay? So that, and what are you looking for? You're looking for two muscles. One that's going at an angle and one that's going straight out. Okay. So I have to look at the other side. And then what do I see on that side? Yes, yes, yes. I see this one that's falling down. And then I see this one that's going straight out. Okay? So therefore, the one that's going straight out, that says that this is the lateral rectus. Okay? And the one that's going down, that's the inferior oblique. And we said the inferior oblique points towards one of the long sides. And the long side it points to, since it's called inferior oblique, is the inferior side. So therefore, on there you'll find one muscle, which is the inferior rectus. That is that. Do you see that? Inferior rectus. By default, if this is the inferior side, there's only two long sides. The other long side has to be the superior. Make sense? Yes, it does. Okay, so there, to confirm that it is indeed the superior side, you have two muscles, one going straight out, one going at an angle, just like we saw on the lateral side. Okay, so there is our superior rectus going straight out. We flip it up and like that, and then we are looking and we are looking and we are looking and we are finding, yes, there. The one going at an angle is the superior oblique. So you indeed confirm this is the superior side. Okay, therefore this is the eye on the right side. Okay, because this is the lateral side. This goes, and this is the nose bridge. So therefore this is the medial rectus. Okay, so medial rectus, superior rectus, superior oblique, inferior rectus, inferior oblique, lateral rectus. Okay, but then there's a seventh muscle in this sheep eye. See, there's our superior oblique right there. Okay, we scoot that to this side. You remember I was careful not to cut them. There is the retractor bulbi. Okay, you're done. Retractor bulbi right there. And there's the optic nerve right there. Okay, so once you're done with that, then you cut your cornea from top to bottom. Then you flip open. There's the cornea right there. Okay, there's the cornea, and then this brown part, I guess this sheep had the brown eyes. Okay, is the iris, and then the whole is the pupil, and behind it you'd see the lens. Okay, then we make the second incision on the sclera, and I said you scoot all your extrinsic eye muscles to the front, like so, like what I'm doing, and you see how I cut it, and I cut just in front of the retractor bulbi. If you try to cut on the retractor bulbi, you'll be there all day and night because it's hard. So you make sure you snake your way through that. Then you cut it and you open it like a page like this, like a page in a book, and then you see there's the lens, and this little part here is the optic disc or blind spot. You're gonna call it optic disc, and this creamish sort of yellowish stuff that looks like cream cheese is the retina. Okay, is the retina, and the black layer, usually in the exam I say, what's that black layer over there? Even you don't have to look at it, is the choroid coat. It's got lots of melanin that protects so the light doesn't enter, so it's black, just like you put black curtains in the movies if you're watching in the afternoon, so light doesn't get in. Okay, same thing. Or you don't want the light to escape, you want the light to be harnessed and focused on the macula so you can see. Okay, plus it protects against the UV light. Okay, the melanin protects against the UV light, so it's dark like that. Okay, so and then this is the sclera, you see right there, the one on the outermost layer, sclera. And then you could see here's the ciliary body if you're looking from behind. Okay, and the lens, we could scoot it like that. So there's the ciliary body, and you could see the ciliary processes, ciliary, C-I-L-I ciliary processes from the ciliary body. The ciliary body suspends the lens there in the middle. Okay, and that's it. Those are all the parts, and internal and external, for the eye. Okay, all right. Thank you so much, my excellent friends. You can see how they look like from the top, like that. Okay, I will do that. See the superior oblique, superior rectus, and then there is the medial or rectus, and then there is the inferior oblique, and there is the, over there is the the lateral rectus, and there is the inferior rectus. Okay, and then the cornea. All right, thank you. All right, soon I'll be cutting this off so that it's all completely separated, so you can see these muscles. Okay, I think I'm gonna do that so that you guys can see that. Okay, okay, that's good. So I can see that there's a retractor bulbi. You can see the optic disc. Okay, and then there is the lens. Okay, and I'm just recording for you guys so you could see. There is the lens. That's how it will appear in the exam. Okay, okay. So I have to hold my eye properly. Okay. So again, to do the extrinsic eye muscles, the eye will be like that in the exam. So this will be the medial rectus. Okay. So this will be the medial rectus, and this is the superior oblique. The long side with two muscles is the superior side. So, and so superior oblique and superior rectus. Okay, and then the short side with two muscles we'll have is the lateral side. So this will be the lateral rectus, and this will be the inferior rectus. No, inferior oblique. Sorry, inferior oblique, and then this is the lateral rectus. The inferior rectus is this one, the small one right here. You see? So this is the inferior rectus. Okay, and then of course the retractor bulbi will be right here. If I do that, all right, there is the retractor bulbi right there. Okay, and you get to see the optic nerve right there. Okay, again, one more time. Superior rectus, superior oblique, medial rectus, inferior rectus, inferior oblique, lateral rectus, retractor bulbi. Okay, retractor bulbi, and those are the extrinsic eye muscles, and you are done.